Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful and well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I do appreciate it. I call this makeup look my ageless makeup look for over 50. Very easy, very simple. Everything that I use on my face I'm going to link below for you guys. And of course, if you want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Please watch the videos to the end. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe before you go. And I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!
Send to us, we pray. Cast out our sins and enter in. Be born to us today. We hear the Christmas angels, the great glad tidings tell. Oh, come to us, abide with us, our Lord Emmanuel. Above thy deep and dreamless sleep, the silent